Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Redmi 12 5G is ready. Charge above 20% and close background apps. Once done, tap Settings and scroll to Special Features or Tools. Xiaomi sometimes groups Game Turbo there. You want to find the Game Turbo or Game Mode entry and tap it so you can begin configuring. This first action exposes the toggle and game list. Without this step, you can't add games or adjust performance profiles, so move directly to that menu now. Once in game mode, add your games by tapping Add Games and choosing Installed Titles. This registers them for special handling. Then configure performance. Enable performance mode if you need higher FPS, turn on Touch Boost or HDR where available, and adjust frame or resolution preferences. Make sure to set Do Not Disturb and Network Priority to minimize interruptions and lag. You're tailoring how the system treats each app, so take a moment to match settings. Now launch a registered game. Game mode should activate automatically and show the floating toolbar. You can use that toolbar to record, block calls, lock brightness, or switch performance modes on the fly. Verify features like reduced latency and stable FPS by checking gameplay and notifications behavior. If game mode fails to engage or behaves oddly, restart the phone first and then reset Game Turbo settings in the Special Features menu. If issues persist, remove and re-add the game to refresh its profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.